What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna make a quick video here. This is part of a Samsonite lumbar support cushion. I used to actually use it in here because when I'd go on long rides, my back started hurting. And I'm talking about rides, sometimes I would go maybe hour and a half, 2 hours to the other side of the state. So I wanted this car to be comfortable for long trips. And I'd have this actually put around the seat. The problem is this has side airbags and I didn't want it to get in the way. So I'm going to show you guys how to add lumbar support to the bottom. It's really simple. Step one is this latch right here. Well, it's not a latch, it's just a thing. What you do is you just lift like this. Like that. And it comes right down. And then that exposes a zipper on each side. Okay, once you unzip it, all you do is just lift this up, and you can see right there I took some of the memory foam from that lumbar support and I shoved it between the spring and the seat cushion. Super simple, and it's very effective. I've already sat in the seat and you can definitely feel it. I wouldn't want anything pushing too hard, so you could try a towel. What others have done on the forums is you could use a blood pressure cuff as well, and or an inflatable bag. Like if you go on Amazon and type in inflatable bladder, and then that way you can adjust it. But I kind of used what I had laying around, and now I'm gonna do the passenger side. Thanks, and I hope you guys find it helpful.